Hey folks, Kevin and Thea here. We're out by the fig trees, and today what we're going to do is take away their blanket, their covering, their protection for the winter. And we put that in the fall. And what do you think, hon?
I think we have to not get eaten by the mosquitoes.
These are punkies, black flies.
Bad things.
Yeah, they've been driving me nuts up front working in the food forest for this week. And with the moisture in early spring and not too many fly catchers out to get them, it's kind of tough. So that's what we're going to do. So the plastic cover covers the entire hoop here, and we have the galvanized conduit. They're 1/2-inch conduit that's bent into a small low tunnel form. We have paracord tying them together, and then we took lots of leaves that we got from our local town cemetery and packed them in there, and that's like the insulation, and this protects them from the high winds that comes from the northwest over there. So, and you can see a lot of the comfrey starting to come up. This is our living fence with the curly willows, and these trees here, some oaks, some maples, and some locust trees in here as well. So we're going to go ahead and separate things. I brought 2 different platforms. We'll keep them down there at the end. I put some wood chips down there at the end yesterday, and I brought a long pallet down here that we'll put the boards and pipes on, and brought this pallet here, and we'll put the gravel bags, the weight bags in here, and any concrete in here. So that's the plan. You ready to rock and roll, hon?
We're having fun already, come.
All right, here we go. Well, we were able to get the plastic cover off of the fig trees, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of leaves. These are the leaves that we get from the town cemetery, and we prune these back in the fall. I have to prune back a little bit further in the future. You can see there's already some new growth starting here. And now what I'm going to do is use a couple of the forks, a pitchfork and my 4-pronged potato fork and the leaf blower, to get as many of the leaves out of there as possible, get them out here, and then we'll go ahead and do the same process of leaf mold composting again. And we're stacked the materials nearby for next winter, when we've got to go ahead and reapply the plastic and the insulation, the leaves and all. So if you saw last fall when we did this, you'd see the leaves have settled quite a bit in there over the winter months. And now, because all of these will start budding out, there's another little fig starting to bud out right now. And it's up to 71 degrees in here, out here right now, which is really nice. And so I'm going to start on this. Thea's inside working, getting a lot of the plants that are in the nursery and in the coop, getting those out into the greenhouse, because it's that time of year. Then I've got to go do some more work. So here we go. Well, it's been raining pretty steady out here. Got a lot of the work done with the figs. Got probably 70% of the leaves out of the fig tree batch. Tomorrow I'll try tomorrow or the next day I'll try and finish up the work over there, and I'll give you more information on it. I'm pretty happy with how that's going. Was able to use MiniMe with a LandPride Graple and bring out grapple loads of leaf matter out to a new leaf mold or composting system, just like we did last fall. I'll be doing more of that to show you how it works and all. And it's been raining for a couple hours, so I'm pretty wet. We're both pretty tired, and I'm quite sore. So if you found this video of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, stay safe and take good care of yourselves. And have a good evening. Bye-bye now.